Peter's kindly agreed to assist us. He's just recovering from a pneumonia. Peter had C4 quadriplegia with paralysis of the left hemidiaphragm. So I'd like to talk about ideal positioning for carrying out this procedure. It's much easier if the patient is in supine. It's quite difficult to assist cough someone on their side, but you can do it if you need to. It's just hard to generate as much force if a patient is inside lying. So the techniques we're going to demonstrate today are going to be with Peter lying on his back. And now, in order to get to Peter easily, I'm just going to move the bed out from the wall a little bit. Make sure the brakes are on the bed so that it's not going to move when we're pushing on his abdomen. Have the height of the bed low so that you can get your body weight over the top of the patient to make the task easier. And also it's good, if the person can tolerate it, to tip their head down so that gravity is assisting with the removal of secretions. You right if I put your head down, Peter? Comfortable there? The technique I was using then was a technique where you have a forearm over the abdomen and a forearm over the chest. It's important when coughing to just remember that you don't need a forceful thrust all the time. Sometimes just a firm compression can be very effective. So the technique is, ready, Pete? Mm-hmm. Here we go, big breath in and again. Good. So I'm leaning with all of my body weight over the top of his body, and at the bottom of the compression I'm giving him a little bit of a shake, which helps to tickle secretions up a little bit further. If you get tired of doing this sort of technique, you can swap your hands around and cough like this. Ready, Pete? Again. And you can hear he's got some secretions that are moving up slowly there, and they'll come in a little while. It just takes a few cycles sometimes to shift the secretions all the way up.